Hey, what's up? Mike from Law Technology here, and I'm going to show you how to use the control panel in the Charney conference rooms. All right, depending on the classroom, you're either going to have this control panel, or if you're in this classroom, you'll have a control panel that looks like this. Both have similar functions, so it shouldn't be confusing. First, let's break down this panel. You have the ability to turn the display on or off. You have Apple TV, HDMI, VGA, and you can mute the screen. Also, you can control the volume in the room. The control panel is a little different, but not so much. You'll see the same options here with HDMI, HDMI 2 VGA, and Apple TV, but you also have the ability to control the camera in the room and the Apple TV in the room as well. Once you're done using the rooms, if you could power down the system, we would really appreciate it. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us, lawhelpdesk.scu.edu or at 408-554-5762. Thanks for watching.